Terrific crowd of over 14,000 there last night. It was very well promoted by the Canterbury club, although Chris Anderson this morning reacting to the win by suggesting that his side just haven't been finishing off in attack, Roy.
Well, he's in a pretty comfortable position if he's saying that, leading by 12-0, and they always had the measure, obviously, and maybe he's just trying to use the media to stir them along a little bit.
It was a dangerous match for them, Mick, because Cronulla have been playing well.
They have been playing extremely well, but the thing is, I'm a great believer in tradition, and Canterbury always beat Cronulla. You have a look at the last games, the previous games over the last 10 years, they always seem to have the wood on Cronulla.
Come on now, and St George, we played, pretty well against the Saints, and, hopefully that when Johnny Lang comes next year, that he'll be able to keep on going well with what Arthur's done.
Aaron, here's the highlights of the match. Canterbury got off to a very good start. A try here from the Terry Liam bomb. Race to the 12-0 lead. That was after about 20 minutes, and that's how the final score ended up. And Canterbury, how do you rate the Canterbury side, Aaron? You rate them as premiership contenders, or are they just pretenders?
Well, I think it's hard for me to say, but going off last night's performance, I feel that...
You think there's better sides there?
I think there's better sides there. If the Sharks can hold them, with 12, they scored 12 points with, and we only had 12 men, so... if we can do it, I think, we've got Canberra next week, and if we've got 12 men, I think they'll score a lot more points than what Canterbury did.
Aaron, you said Arthur Beetson's brought a lot of young players up into the side. You're probably just getting used to his coaching style, and they're bringing in Johnny Lang. How hard is it going to be to adapt if he's got a different style?
Well, I think you've got to adapt no matter what kind of football coach you have got. You've got to adapt to whatever way he wants to coach. You could have a coach one year and a new coach the next year, so... It's just come down to the professionalism of the individual player, and to see how he handles the way the new coach coaches us.
Aaron, who is the best side you've played so far? Like, you've played the Saints, Brisbane, got Canberra next week, Canterbury last night. Who do you rate would be the best side so far?
Well, I think that the teams that we played Canberra in the first couple of games, and they give us a hiding. So, they're definitely, I think, a grand final contender, and I think Brisbane, although we had a 38-34 loss to them, I think they're very, I think they'll be the grand final. I think Brisbane and Canberra.
Be a great grand final.
Well, for Cronulla